Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing network that can pay you up to 100 USD per sale. Do you know that you can make different amount of money by doing affiliate marketing? This affiliate marketing strategy can help you earn up to 100 USD per sale you made, and also 10 USD per any free trial for customer you attracted. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer, and also you have to use your laptop or your phone if you have one. And also what you need to do, you need to come into your browser and use this platform. We are going to be searching this platform, which is called Semrush. When you talk about Semrush, also maybe you are familiar with this platform or you are not familiar with it. However, this is also online marketing which can be helping your business. Let's try searching Semrush, and also if we search for Semrush, they are going to be telling us more details about this public company. You can see it's a software as service platform which helps a business to manage the online presence. Among its services includes using search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, content marketing, and competitive research for customers' business to help them for growing their online presence. That means if you're going to be attracting audience or customers, they are going to be purchasing their services and different products. Once they purchase the products, you're going to be earning money. For instance, if we go to the platform itself, you can see we have different articles about how to get started, SEO glossaries, toolkits. You can see integrations, teamwork, subscriptions, billing and account, Semrush, and other resources. Here's the company. If you need to read more information about the company, you can be able to read it. And also, if you need more details, you can be able to read it. Now, through company, you can get affiliate program. Let's try to click on affiliate program and see. As you can see, if I click on affiliate program, I'm going to be directed to the affiliate. If you can see this page, what these are also making my marketing easy, leverage a variety of our pre-designed converting promotional materials. Now you need to you will earn extra bonuses for your work and performance. Also, now this is how you can be able to earn money. Boost your image, high commissions, last click attribution. You can see 200 USD for every sale you made, plus 10 for every free trial you referral sign up. Let's try to scroll down and go here. You can see here you can be similar subscription for any level who is that means for any person is going to be purchasing Semrush subscription, you're gonna be earning 200 USD. You can see for also the one where you can see where the person have signed up with free trial would be earning 10 USD, and also you can be earning 200 USD for the person who has purchased or completed the subscription purchase. Let's try to go down. You can see Semrush social content AI does 50, and also if someone is going to be signing up for free trial, you're gonna be earning 10. There's a content check, you can be earning 10. Ad quality, advertising intelligence, you will be earning 10, and the 100 USD for the person who has already subscribed, and also for free trial you will be earning this amount. So this is also very clear that even if someone is going to be trying the service, you'll be making money in affiliate marketing. Now let's see different strategies and different ways you'll be earning this amount of money. For instance, this is tier 1. So which tier am I? So 0 up to 4 sales you made, you will be per quarter. Now you'll be earning 200 USD. And also if you're on silver 5 up to 19 sales, you'll be also earning 250 per sales. And also if you on gold from 20 to 49 sales per quarter, you will get this 300 USD. If you are now on a platinum stage where you will have made 50 plus sales per quarter, you'll be able to earn 350 USD, and also you earn extra 200 for each quarter or incremental sales bonus for your first product. Let's see the quarterly content bonus. As you can see here, Here we have this one. We have 200 USD per the first revo. We have 500 USD the bonus. We have 1,000, and you have also 1,500 USD we have earned it. And also the special offer is 7-day free trial, 14 days. 14 days you can see co-blended RP. It depends on different trials and different activities. So depends on the person, depends on how far is the person going to be signing up. Also you can be reading through all these ones. So now let's see how you can be applying for this free tip program to be started making money by promoting their products. So you need to click on this link, which is apply, and also once you click on apply, you have to follow the procedures. So let me click on it. As you can see, when I click on it, it directs me to different platform, which is called social, which is called impact.com. So impact.com, this is also all in one platform, which will be also which are complete or which holds different affiliate programs of different affiliate marketing programs from different companies. And also, if you can be able to work through there, you can be able to access different companies, different affiliate programs in one place. So as you can see, join us and boost your income. Apply and earn big by promoting our tools. We reward you with 200 for every cent and for every trial you generate. So now let's start signing up, because I'm signed into my impact.com account. That is the reason why they are not asking me more. Also, you need to be signing up if you didn't sign up or if you don't have account. Also, you can see they are immediately bringing me different agreements to accept, because I am already signed into the impact.com. But if it's your first time, you need also to log into the account to ensure that you are into Impact and you have an account where you will be managing your dashboards. So what you need to do now, you need to come and read all these details. You can see for qualifications, here is the registration, 0.01 USD, payouts 0.0 USD per order. Now actions are locked for 27 days after end of the month. They are tracked. Approved transactions are paid 21 days after end of the month. They rock. So credit policies, last click, allow referral from clicks within 120 days, which means referral window is this time. So let's try now to come back and see how you can be able to earn that 10 USD from the free trial made. You can see here is a USD 10 per order, which means it's a 10 USD per free trial which has been made through our link. And also action locking about 27 days. 27 days also after the end of the month. Approved transactions. Also, the qualified referral is credit policy. It's a winner of registration. So referral window is you should allow winning referrals from parents actions within 7 days. So now let's see this one. It's first purchase, that's the one up to 200 USD. The rank item category in app center access, that's 1 USD. You can see the credit, you can see the conditions and the amount you'll be able to the payouts. So what you need to do after reading through all these in terms and conditions, here you have to come, you can even come and print this if you want to be printing it. You can print it or download it if you want to read it very well and very carefully. So after reading all these policies, you have also to come down and accept the terms and conditions. So I have to accept it. Once I accept it, you can see they are telling me to either sign up and start earning. However, I need to click on sign in because I'm having my account there. What I need to do, I need to be adding my credentials to enter into the account. Let me add my credentials into impact.com. If you are new, you have to add also you have to sign up. You can see I'm immediately being redirected to my account, and also here is the same details. Now what I need to do at the end, I need to approve and the contract to want to continue. Here also you can reject if you don't want to reject. You can also see that they are showing me the today's different earnings, because also I'm done now applying for this program. Now you can see if you can be able to track here. You can see my application is under review, and also I have to wait. Once done, they will send me an email regarding my application status, and also I can be able to start making money. Thank you also for watching this video. If you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it to our friends, and turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.